Harsha, hold the paper. Blow the cup. Try, Nana. Say what is that letter? Once again, tell me. Very good. Next one. Blow the cup. Try, Nana. Say what is that letter? Very good. Blow the cup. Say what is that letter? Blow the cup. Say what is that letter? Very good. Say what is that letter? Show me cup. Small A or capital A?
Small A.
Say what is that letter?
E.